Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install comps analysis using Redfin Data Center, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Redfin Data Center website. Log in to your Redfin account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Data Center option in the main menu. Click on Data Center to access a variety of real estate data tools. Find the section labeled Comps Analysis within the Data Center. Click on the Comps Analysis link to enter the analysis tool. Review the interface and familiarize yourself with the available features. Start by entering the property address for which you want to perform a comps analysis. Select the relevant filters for property type, price range, and square footage. Review the generated list of comparable properties. Examine the key metrics provided, such as sale price, days on market, and price per square foot. Adjust the filters if needed to refine your search results. Analyze the data from the comparable properties to assess market trends. Take notes on key insights that will inform your real estate decisions. Utilize the export feature if you need to save the data for later reference. If necessary, revisit the filters to run additional analyses on different properties. Once finished, log out of the Redfin Data Center if you are on a public or shared device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.